Okay, hey everybody, let's try to understand and solve this question. Very simple question. This is from NEET 2019, and this question is for 4 marks. NEET questions are of 4 marks, objective type. And this concept we have already learned in class 10th physics, ICSE class 10th physics. This is regarding total internal reflection. Now, what is total internal reflection? It occurs when ray of light travels from denser to rarer medium, and for a particular angle called critical angle, angle of refraction in the rarer medium becomes 90 degrees. So in this picture, as you can see, this one is the case of critical angle. Angle of incidence is equal to critical angle, and in the rarer medium, angle of refraction is becoming 90 degree. After that, total internal reflection takes place. We will not talk about that right now. Let's read the question. This question is regarding this condition only. So total internal reflection when the angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. Angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. So angle of refraction in the rarer medium becomes 90 degree. What will be the angle of refraction? Obviously 90 degree. Fourth option is correct here. So let me tell you, there are two conditions for TIR, total internal reflection, to take place. Ray should go from or travel from denser to rarer medium. Say this is glass, denser, and this is air, rarer medium. And we know that when ray travels from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. So as you can see, this ray is bending away from the normal. If we keep on increasing the angle of incidence, angle of refraction will keep on increasing, and for a particular angle of incidence called critical angle, angle of refraction in the rarer medium becomes 90 degree. This angle of incidence is called critical angle, and for critical angle, angle of refraction is 90 degree. So fourth option is correct here. We know this concept. I have explained too much, but we understand this concept. We have learned this in ICSE class 10th. After this, if angle of incidence is increased further, the full ray, whole ray, 100% ray will bend into the same medium. It will suffer TIR. So intensity will be 100%. Going from denser to rarer medium, first medium I have selected water, second medium is air. If we increase the angle of incidence, angle of refraction will also increase, and as you can see at a particular angle, angle of refraction becomes close to 90. अब इस पे इंटरफेस पे नहीं दिखा रहा है, basically it's not becoming 90, but yeah, very close to 90. If I increase the angle further, it will bend into the same medium. So there are two conditions for total internal reflection. Angle of incidence should be greater than critical angle. Critical angle means at which angle of refraction becomes 90 degree. And second condition is that ray should go from denser to rarer medium. So angle of incidence here is greater than critical angle. We'll learn more about critical angle. Less than critical angle, there will be refraction. More than critical angle, there will be total internal reflection.